Hi guys, I've teamed up with Merit Beauty and I'm going to show you my 5-minute morning routine. I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, you should. Kaylee and I have been having something called our Summer of Adventure, and we've just been going to like all these fun places. We've been to Sesame Place, we've been to the zoo, we've had some scavenger hunts. We're just doing like a ton of fun things. But the thing is, when you tell a 7-year-old that you're going to do something fun for the day, you don't have time to get ready. Like, there's just no time. All they hear is the fun thing and they're like, mommy now, mommy now, mommy now. So I seriously only have 5 minutes to get ready in the morning. So this is what I do. These Merit products were sent to me for free. However, I have been using them for a couple of days now, so I can give you my honest opinion. So very first thing that I do is I don't wash my hair. It's just the truth. I don't. So I just throw it back into a ponytail. Usually I just finger comb it with my hands. And it's not even like cute. It's kind of, I'll be honest, it's a, you know, it's a little dirty. It could go for a washing, but we're just using those oils to help the hair stay in place. Come on, I know I'm not the only one. So we've got the ponytail going on. Since I didn't smooth it out in the front to hide it, you know what I do? I wear a headband. Look at that. It looks like I made an effort. Like, boom, done. Effort made. But seriously, we're gonna get into the makeup because you know that's like the important part. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this Milani Chill Out Primer. I love this primer. I already did a review on this. It is perfect for the summer because it is cooling, but it allows your makeup to stick. So I do that. Then I'm going to move on to the next item. I hope everything's in front of me. I'm gonna try to like barely edit this so you can see that it really does just take 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. I was looking for this and this was already out because this is the product that I've been using the most. It is their Perfecting Complexion Stick and I have the color Buff. I've really been liking this little stick thing. It's like foundation / concealer and it's just in a stick form. I was a little scared because usually I'm terrible at color matching, especially color matching online, but their website made it super easy. I like this. It's very, very creamy. I feel like there's a small amount of product for what it is. I don't know if I can twist more up. What is here? Oh, you can twist more up. Okay. But I don't want to. Okay, so I guess there is a decent amount in here. So then there's this brush, which makes it very easy to just blend it all out. I know I should be more gentle, but honestly, I've got 5 minutes and you have to imagine like Kaylee saying like, mommy, when are we going to the zoo? Mommy, help me put on my shirt. You know? Or usually, mommy, can I have an ice pop before we go? Okay, so that is blended in. I'm going to curl my lashes. Depending on how cute I am trying to be, I may or may not put on some kind of like eyeshadow stick. But lately I've been wanting to be cute. So I've been using these e.l.f. No Budge shadow sticks in the color Rose Gold. I think I have a purple one. I do, I have a purple one, but I use this one the most. And it's just a really pretty shimmery color. So it looks like, hey, I made an effort. But hey, it took me 2 seconds. What I like about these little sticks is if you get a light enough color, you don't even have to blend. See, like, that's it. I'm not blending. I'm not. Let's get closer. We're close. We're closer. All right, so I've curled the lashes. Now we are going to use some mascara. This is in the color Perfect Black. This is a very, very natural mascara. When I first used it, I felt like I didn't see much difference. But this is one of those mascaras. I think, for me, I noticed a lot of mascaras are like this. Like, I feel like they get better the more you use them. They get a little thicker. So they actually grab the lashes better. This is what it looks like. The packaging is just so sleek and so like simple. Like their motto is less is more, and I totally agree with it. So I am using the color, some kind of black brown, which is the darkest color they have, which is perfect. I always use a brow gel every single day. Like, it's concealer and brow gel. Like, if I have 1 minute to leave the house, absolutely. Concealer, brow gel, chapstick. Did you see what I just did? I have a little bald spot there. So I just used the tip of the gel and I put it on the bald spot, and then I just combed it over. I really like this too. It doesn't budge, it doesn't get flaky or anything like that. And the color is a really good match. It's not super noticeable, but again, this is more of a less is more, very like minimalistic kind of beauty. We're going to move on to cheeks. I have the color Mood. It looks super dramatic here, but it's really not. It's so pretty because it's like, it's a cream, but it's like a stain. Oh, I love it. It's just so pretty. So I've actually just been blending out with this brush because it already has a little bit of the foundation. So I feel like when you mix the two, it gives you like a very natural flush, like I just worked out, you know? Alrighty, so we have two lip gloss options here. We have a natural, and this color is Marrakech. Marrakech. Sorry. And it's their tinted lip oil. Alright, so this is what this color looks like. Pretty. But I need to show you what the other lip color looks like too. Of course, you know I do. Okay, so this next lip color is in the color Sangria. This is when you're just trying to be, you know, a little bolder. I know that I'm going to adore this color in the fall. And these are definitely lip oils, so they're, while they look super bold in the packaging, you can shear them out a little bit. And they're really like, they're moisturizing without being oily or sticky. So that is my 5 minute, oh wait, nope. Not done. Earrings. I don't wear hoops. I just don't, but I usually put on some kind of stud or something. See? 5 minutes and it looked pulled together, made a full-on effort. Super cute. I love it. And let me know which one was your favorite gloss and what items you use in your 5 minute routine. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.